Keats knocked the phone out of my hand with his little goat head. Can you believe it? He was like, this is a candid photograph. I did not consent to this. Fuck the paparazzi, says Keats. What do you think about the paparazzi, Byron? Byron loves the paparazzi. Byron's like, please feature me in all of your shitty grocery store tabloids. Oh my god, Byron. Did you marry Elvis? Did you? Would you like to address these rumors? Do you have a statement to make on the record, my love? No? No. Your silence on this subject just makes you look more suspicious. Well, there you have it, folks. What do you think, Keith? Oh my god, look at this guy. He's just lurking there. Shelly, I love you, you creeper. You creepy baby. You creepy baby. What good boys. What excellent and floofy children. Yes. Legses. He's standing on my boots. Look at those leggies. The rump. The cute rump. Keats. Keatsy weetsy. Whoop, he put one little leggy oh, he's standing. He's being tall. Look at my tall boy. Ooh, he's so tall. What a tall baby. What a good and tall son. Cunning boy. Cunning boy. Cunning and fluffy boy. Fluff. Fluff. That's his little goat mohawk. It's very long. Oh, am I annoying you? I'm definitely annoying him. Boop. Haha. Boop. I booped your face. Okay, I'll stop doing that now.